Today, we dive into a new topic that every investor and business owner in the UAE faces: opening and maintaining a corporate bank account. Welcome to episode 2 of Incorporate with Confidence, powered by Commitbiz, the podcast where we simplify business incorporation and related services, sharing insider insights from over a decade of experience. Today with me is Mr. Rajiv, a banking expert specializing in the UAE region. Welcome, Mr. Rajiv.
Thank you, Femina. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great. So, Rajiv, with Dubai being one of the top 20 financial hubs, UAE continues to attract global investors. So, why is opening a UAE bank account often seen as a gateway to doing business here?
Femina, UAE is not only the business hub, it's also a global financial center. Dubai is ranked as 12th globally in Global Financial Center Index. Plus, Dubai is located in the crossroads of Asia, Europe, Africa, and this is the perfect place to have the international trade.
Correct.
Coming to your second question, why is UAE bank account looked upon as the gateway for the business here? I think bank account is something which is like a backbone to your business. Without having the bank account, is you cannot even accept the payments. You cannot even make the payments to your suppliers or cannot receive the payments from your clients. You cannot even run your day-to-day operations of your business. So yes, it's very much crucial for the investors. Having a bank account in this country shows that your company has gone through the proper due diligence, compliance reviews, so that gives the confidence to your people who is working with you closely or doing or associated in any form of business with you. So yes, Dubai or the UAE banks also follows the global standards, which also includes FATF, which is Financial Action Task Force.
That's interesting, Rajiv. But we often hear that opening a corporate bank account here in the UAE is a challenging process. So, why is that?
That's absolutely correct. To open a corporate bank account can feel challenging because how seriously the UAE takes the financial compliance.
Correct.
They take it really seriously, and also over the years, the reputation what this country has built to secure and to be the secure and transparent financial hub. That is one of the reasons why there is so much of due diligence which takes place before onboarding of any client, or the stringent procedures of onboarding. So that's the major reason. It's not the banks who make it hard for you. It's a requirement of the bank which wants to see the clear picture of your business. They look into your KYC, they look into the nature of business, the shareholders' profiles, the source of funds, which are one of the most important requirement in the corporate banking, and also they look at which are the counterparties that you deal with, which is one of the most important requirement as well. Femina, we also have to remember the global events like money laundering and the sanction updates, which is one of the major reasons why the banks are more cautious nowadays. In short, the UAE is not trying to make it difficult. It's only protecting the banking system. If you're prepared well, then I don't think it's really difficult or challenging to get the bank account opened. It's not more of a challenging process, but it is a structured process.
Yes. Rajiv, there are so many myths that are floating all over the UAE when it comes to opening a corporate bank account. So I have a glass pot here with the most common ones. So what we can do is you can pick one by one and let's get a take on yours, like what is fact and what is fiction.
Sure, that sounds good. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the first one. Myth 1. You can open a UAE business account in 2-3 days. false. That's if you ask me realistically, it takes around 2 to 4 weeks at least to open a corporate bank account.
Okay.
Now that also depends on your business structure and also the requirement of the bank.
Okay.
So we have to comply to the requirement of the bank as well. Yes, so this is absolutely false.
False. Okay. You can take the second one.
So myth number 2, free zone companies cannot open accounts. Absolutely false. Free zone companies can open the business account for themselves. That's it totally depends on how the case has been presented. Yes, in certain cases, the banks look out for the substance, the local substance. Yes, that can be presented through the free zone companies as well. So that's absolutely false. Even the free zone companies can open their corporate bank accounts. Myth number 3, digital account are the same as traditional ones. No, digital accounts are slightly different. They do not have any human presence in terms of support. You just have tech support. There's no relationship manager assigned to your account. You also cannot avail this credit facilities and the trade finance, and it's not as reputed globally compared to the traditional accounts.
Yes.
Traditional accounts are more globally recognized.
Correct.
Digital accounts are not the same as traditional ones.
So Rajiv, I think you busted most of the myths. So I feel like this was very informative even for the new entrepreneurs here in the UAE. But still, I feel that opening a corporate bank account is a complex process, like the documentation process and even the onboarding process. So I just wanted to know how your team can help in this process.
Yes, because since, as we mentioned earlier, this is the most complex stage of the
Yes.
business setup.
Correct.
Setting up your business, issuing the trade license and the residency visa, accomplishing this all is something which is not really complex. But yes, of course, the right consultation also matters
Yes.
at the beginning stage when it comes to business formation. I think when we reach the most complex stage, which is the bank account opening, yes, so we stepping to make the process smooth for our clients. We take charge of the bank account opening. We inform our clients to focus more on their expansion of the business ideas or grow their business. But we take charge of the bank account opening. What we do is, how we do it is by reviewing the complete set of constitutional documents. We understand what is the business plan. We present the business plan to the bank in a way that it can comply to the requirements of the bank, and we also leverage our connections with the bank to ensure the approval of the bank account. We also it's not an easy thing, but when I say this all, it sums up in very short time, but it's not all. It takes at least a 3 or 4 hours process, because you have to compile everything. You have to understand what are the bank's compliances. You have to make your client understand what are the things that he should do, what are the things he shouldn't do. Also the counterparties, we also try to recognize which are the counterparties that he'll be dealing with, which are the sanctioned countries, which are the countries whether they're sanctioned or whether they're easy to go with. So we look after all of this, and we make a presentation in a way that it can be easily accepted by the bank. Yes, I think my suggestions would be to the investors is just choose your consultant, just choose your right consultant, and do not panic. There's always a right method to secure the bank account for you.
That's incredibly valuable, Rajiv. I think we busted some myths and given our listeners an idea about corporate bank account opening here in the UAE.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure to be here, Femina, and you have been a wonderful host. Thank you.